Hey guys, I've studied every single price action strategy out there, and in today's video, I'm going to give you two strategies that I use every single day to help me with the markets. This might be on YouTube, this might be on TikTok, and this might be on my Discord if you guys are part of my team. So let's head on over to the charts and let me show you guys how it's done.
All right, so we're in the charts. This is NQ. This is what I trade almost every single day. In the markets today, what I'm actually looking at, we had a big sell-off. But how can we identify that? How can I know that price action is going to be bearish today so we can capitalize on the downside of the market and make some good trades? So the first thing I go ahead and do is I go to a bigger time frame. We have to look at a bigger time frame. If we don't do this, we just trade on the 1 minute time frame. The data is very, very, very skewed. It's not a lot to look at. I mean, all I know is, yeah, we're climbing to the upside here. Yeah, we do have a little bit of resistance right there. But I really don't know the overall direction of currently where the price is at. And that is why I go on a bigger time frame. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame right here. And I want to tell you guys, we have to identify where the price is currently at. Well, currently we have main level of resistance right here and main level of resistance right here. That means, and if you guys can see on a bigger time frame, we are in a downtrend. You guys can see that we are constantly making lower lows and lower highs on a bigger time frame. So that's going to tell me something, that right now buyers aren't really there. There's more sellers than buyers currently on a 4-hour time frame. And so I'm going to go ahead and go to a small time frame. Here's a 30-minute. Let's get rid of this trend line for you guys. And I can see that we have resistance. Well, now where is the next level of support? We need support to identify potentially where it can break and to play those prices of movement. So next support area, or what I'm looking for, is right here. And how did I identify that? Well, you guys can see we have multiple touch points right here, right here, right here. For the resistance, we have multiple touch points here and here. And for this one, we have one touch point right here. So these levels are very, very attractive to me, and they definitely are telling me something. We have to look on a bigger time frame. Next, I'm going to draw my zones. I love drawing zones. They help me really make sure I get the best execution possible. So I go ahead and get my low level to high level, get that zone in there, get this zone on the top here as well. This will be a little smaller. Okay, so it's looking pretty good so far. And right now, price action, I said, okay, if we can't get above, and this happened today at 8:30 in the morning, we were trading all the way up here. We're about to, I'm like, okay, well, if price action can get above 21,806, we have quite a bit of room to this next level. But if we can't get above this, we are going to go lower. And so if I go ahead and go to a small time frame, here's the 5-minute. You guys can see right here, I want to look for lower lows, lower highs. I already identified that we're already making lower lows, lower highs on a bigger time frame. Already making lower lows, lower highs on a smaller time frame. And again, this is a 5-minute time frame. And we are. We hit this level right here. Do I go short right here? No. We could have waited for the retest, like it happened right here. Could we have gone long right here? No, absolutely not, because we already know that we're going short. And we obviously know that we just made a lower high. So we could have made a short position right here, stop loss above these highs. Let's say it happened too quickly. We didn't want to play that. We missed out on that opportunity. Fine. Whatever. It's okay. Well, now there's a few other things we can do. Well, we do have a little bit of support right here. So if we can break below the support, we're at least going to go back into the zone. And so price action, my first play with the team this morning, how we capitalized on $2,000 profit for myself, is I went short on this break. And we capitalized on a pretty nice move to the downside. But let's say you don't like that. Let's say it happened too fast. You're a little not feeling comfortable. You really want to make sure that your risk to reward, ROR, is on point. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wait for a clean break on this main level of support and wait for the retest. And you guys can see here, we came all the way back down, shot up, bought sellers, retest short right here, stop loss literally right above that high. We want to have tight stop losses. I always tell my team, I'd rather get stopped out 20, 30 times rather than risking more capital and blowing up more of my account. I'd rather get stopped out for a very small amount, and if we have a winning strategy, which we do, we'll overall be profitable. And so we would go short right here, and we can target these lows, and this would have been a beautiful short opportunity. Absolutely amazing. And that is the main strategy that I use to make sure I can capitalize on these plays. Currently, right now, what are we doing? Well, we can see right here that we have main level support right here. We got main level resistance right here. And let me go to a bigger time frame to see what is happening currently if you guys wanted to place a trade at this given second. Well, I really wouldn't want to place any short trade currently, because buyers are pretty strong right now, I'll probably wait for a short opportunity if we get back below this area. And then you can say, well, Will, when do longs look appeasing? Well, I want to draw my zone. Let me get my rectangle tool out right here. And you guys can see, well, if we can get back above around maybe 21,577, this level right here, this can look like a good long opportunity, right? And if we get back below here, this can look like a good short opportunity, which let me show you guys a little better. So currently what is happening right now, I don't want to do it. I'll sit on my hands, not do anything. And the biggest thing about trading, guys, is not doing anything. The less is more in this space. The more is actually bad. So that is what I use, especially with today's markets on January 7th, how we capitalized on that. Let me go ahead and show you actually some of the team profits on this play right here. And you guys can see right here, here is the team profits. Tony over here making $9,000, $12,000, $3,000. Here's me making about $2,000. And it just keeps going and going. Absolutely the team printing like crazy. If you guys want to join the team, link will be down below. But the team kills it every single morning, every single day. And if you guys want to join, you guys know where to go. But I hope that video helps you guys. I hope that strategy kind of helped you identify what you guys need to look at. Patience. If a play already happens, if you miss out on the play that you wanted to play, that is okay. There are so many other opportunities and so many other chances to play these markets. Don't worry. Have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys in the next one.